Hello, welcome. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to run an email ad on LinkedIn. This is one feature that distinguishes LinkedIn from every other social media platform out there. LinkedIn allows you to run adverts by sending messages to people on LinkedIn, and it is one of the best ways to engage them. It is one of the best ways to get people to perform one task or the other, maybe buy your ebook or enroll or check out your services. It's just like a direct message to them, and they will get the message right inside their inbox. So LinkedIn gives you that opportunity. I have so many advert messages, and these people, I don't know them, but they send me advert messages. So all you need to do is to come to your work and go to advert, and then you select the account page or the account that you want to use to run the advert. Then you come to campaigns. Here I'll click on create new campaign. Definitely it's going to bring us back here, and then I'll go for website visits. So I've explained about this earlier, but I'm still going to go through it again. You have to select a location that you want to run the advert: Africa, Asia, and the rest of them. So I will select Africa, and I will come to my country, Nigeria. And you can select as many countries as possible. But I'll leave it for Nigeria. You can select Asia, Europe. Then you come down, and if you want to exclude some locations, you can exclude them, but for now I'm not doing that. Then you narrow down your audience. I told you that this matched audience has to do with retargeting your web visitors and uploading email contacts that you feel that are on LinkedIn, so that LinkedIn can use those contacts to match your audience and deliver your ads to them. But here we have audience attributes. Here you can now specify the people that you want. You don't just run advert to everybody. No, I can't just I can't just come on LinkedIn and run advert to everyone. No, I must have a target, and audience attribute will help you to actually tell LinkedIn this is the people, or these are the people I want to target on LinkedIn, their interest and all what may. And you know that LinkedIn is a professional site for professionals and the skilled people. So you can come and select. I will always go for marketing. At times, if I want to target business owners, those that are in charge of businesses, I can as well go for the managers. Let me get managers here. Let us get the managers. Job experience, job titles. Yeah, managers. Depending on the people you are targeting. Manager. So I can decide to go for the general managers and any other interests that I want. So for now, and I normally use this email if I'm trying to market to professionals mainly, because it's just like you interacting with them, sending them an SMS. Just imagine it, sending somebody an SMS, and the person opens the SMS and reads. There are chances that the person will contact you for your service or for your product. So email ad is one of the best advertising strategies here on LinkedIn. So after you must have selected your audience. You can as well leave audience expansion. It is advisable. Then you come over to your ad format and you select add message ad. Then this message ad does not work for audience network on LinkedIn, because you are directly sending message to people on LinkedIn. Then you come and fix your budget, your daily and total budget. Now this means that you want to spend, let's say you have $100 to spend a day. So here you can decide to spend $10 every day, while you tell LinkedIn, once I spend up to $100, stop my ads. So this has to do with the total amount that you want to spend for your ad. Then you can set your campaign to run continuously until your money gets exhausted, or you can set a starting date and an ending date. Now here, bidding type has to do with cost per send. It is just the default bidding type for email ads. You can't change it. So even if you are trying to direct them to your website, you can't choose cost per click. It is by default cost per send, meaning that for every message sent, you will be charged a particular amount. So you can bid according to your interest. Most times I normally leave it for automatic, just as it is here. Then with time, if I observe my ads, I will now make adjustments. Then the tracking, I don't normally go for tracking here, because except when I'm going for conversions, then I set up my tracking. But you can as well do that if you want. All you need to do is to add your conversion, and then they will ask you to enter the name of your thank you page or your sales page, and you define the terms. Those that visit a particular website or a particular page on your website and takes a particular action. So after you must have done all that you want to do, and I always advise you to have a list of your audience, of your target audience. Make sure you write it down on a book. Always have a book that you write down the list of your target audience, so that you can match them correctly. So after you are done, here you now have to set up your ad. You now click on create ad. This has to do with your ad name. You can give your ad name, maybe email ads. Then sender, if you can decide to send or change a sender, you can decide to search for a sender. If you have other people that have access to your page, you can decide to use them as sender for your email ads. But if you don't have others, let's say if you have a company and the manager of your company has access to your page, and other employees have access to your page, you can add them as the sender instead of using yourself as the sender. Then here you now impute your subject line. It's always advisable that your subject line should be concise, relevant, and conversational, meaning that use keywords like opportunities, exclusive invitation, and keywords that actually attract or that will make them to open your message. Then we can say, kindly check out this offer. Then here, this is your message body, the body of your message. Then make sure that the body of your message is conversational, and it should not exceed 1000 characters. Then another thing that you must do is that make it personal, in the sense that let the person have a feel that you are really interested in him or her by calling his name. And how can you do that? You start your subject lines by using the custom field here. Let's say you can just say hello, and you insert a custom field, their first name, their last name, or their company's name. This will make them to know that yes, this message is actually for them. I have an offer that I think will interest you. You can check it out here. So after you must have formatted your message to your text, then you can now add customer terms and conditions if you have any. If you have any customer terms and conditions, a call to action like download or learn more. Then you now give them a link to the landing page that you are directing them to. The landing page can be the website, then for the same email ads, LinkedIn gives you an opportunity to add an image if you care. If you have an image that you want to add to your offer or to your mail, a kind of a banner image, LinkedIn gives you the opportunity to as well add it. That a banner image that shows what you are trying to sell is going to as well help in making them to take actions required by them. So after that, you now click on create. Then at this point, you launch your campaign, and then you wait for approval. So this is how to create an email ad. I'll see you in the next video.